After betrayal, staying feels weak. Leaving feels cruel. But the real question isn't, should I stay? It's, what honors my healing? If you're stuck in the heartbreak loop, this video is your compass. Betrayal creates a war between love and self-protection. You may feel guilt for leaving or shame for staying. It's normal to be confused about your feelings. Understanding this emotional tug-of-war is crucial for healing. Many choose to stay for deep love and shared history. Children and family bonds play a significant role. Financial dependency or fear of starting over can hold you back. Hope for change might also keep you invested in the relationship. On the other hand, some choose to leave after repeated betrayal. Lack of remorse from the partner can be a breaking point. Emotional manipulation or gaslighting erodes trust and safety. It's vital to recognize when you're losing your sense of self. To decide, ask yourself key questions. Do I feel emotionally safe in this relationship? Is my partner showing consistent change or just empty apologies? Am I staying out of fear or faith? These reflections guide your decision-making. You are allowed to prioritize peace over partnership. Rebuilding alone can lead to personal growth. If you choose to stay, ensure you feel safe. Seek to heal in an environment that respects your boundaries. Remember, your healing journey is unique. Emotional boundaries are fundamental for self-respect. For further insight, watch the video, When You Are Married to a Serial Cheater. It reinforces the importance of valuing yourself. Betrayal can leave scars that take time to heal, and it's essential to embrace that journey with compassion for yourself. Consider the lessons learned and the strength you've gained through this experience, as difficult as it may seem. Healing is not a linear path, and every person's timeline is different, influenced by their unique circumstances and emotional needs. Navigating these feelings might feel overwhelming at times, but remember, you possess the inner resilience to rise above the pain. Each step you take towards healing is a testament to your strength, paving the way for personal growth. Focus on what nurtures your spirit, whether it's seeking support from friends, exploring therapy, or simply allowing yourself the grace to feel. Amidst the emotional chaos, practice self-compassion. Give yourself permission to grieve what you once had. Understand that it's okay to be angry or sad, as these emotions are valid responses to betrayal. Embrace moments of stillness to reflect on what you truly desire moving forward. Each day, strive to acknowledge the little victories in your healing journey, whether it's reclaiming your time, rediscovering your passions, or connecting with friends. Surround yourself with positivity and affirmations that reinforce your worth. Establish boundaries in future relationships to protect your heart, ensuring you feel secure and valued. Healing takes time, but through patience and self-care, you can gradually reclaim your joy. Reflect on the moments that brought you joy, and let them remind you of your worth. As you disentangle from the emotional aftermath of betrayal, it may help to journal your thoughts and feelings. This practice can serve as a powerful tool for clarity and understanding. By putting pen to paper, you release pent-up emotions and unveil deeper truths about what you truly want. Celebrate small breakthroughs, like recognizing unhealthy patterns or acknowledging your needs. Each realization is a step towards empowerment, bringing you closer to reconnecting with your authentic self. Remember that in this journey of healing, patience is your ally. Allow yourself the grace to uncover layers of your experiences, ensuring that your path forward is authentic and aligned with your values. As you move through this transformative period, trust that brighter days are ahead. Your commitment to healing paves the way for newfound strength and clarity in your relationships. As you reflect, be gentle with your heart. Remember, every emotion is a stepping stone toward clarity. Choosing to prioritize your well-being is imperative, and it might mean reevaluating the relationships in your life. Each moment spent in silence can offer insight into what truly nurtures your spirit and fuels your journey forward. In this journey, always remember that your healing is paramount, and the choice to stay or leave is yours alone. Embrace your feelings, trust your instincts, and allow the experience to transform you. Ultimately, the path to happiness lies in honoring yourself above all else. You're not choosing between staying or leaving. You're choosing between hiding and healing. Whether you rebuild together or walk away, your healing matters. Subscribe for more truth-centered content. And if you're in this decision right now, drop a comment. Let's walk through it together.